Craving a creamy, delicious meal? Let's make chicken Alfredo pasta, perfect for lunch or dinner. Start by cooking 8 ounces of fettuccine pasta according to the package instructions. Drain and set aside. Slice 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts into thin strips. In a large skillet, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Make sure the oil is hot before adding the chicken to ensure a nice sear. Add the chicken pieces to the skillet. Cook them until they turn golden brown and are fully cooked through, which should take about 6 to 7 minutes. Stir occasionally to cook evenly. Once the chicken is cooked, carefully remove it from the skillet and set it aside on a plate. This will keep the chicken warm while you prepare the next steps. In the same skillet, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Allow it to melt completely, scraping up any brown bits from the chicken to add extra flavor to your dish. Begin by heating a skillet over medium heat and adding a drizzle of olive oil. Once the oil is hot, add 2 cloves of minced garlic. Sauté the garlic until it becomes fragrant, which should take about 1 minute. Next, pour in 1 cup of heavy cream, stirring gently to combine. Gradually add 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, stirring continuously. Allow the mixture to cook, stirring occasionally, until the sauce thickens to a creamy consistency. This should take around 5 to 7 minutes. Add the pasta and chicken back to the skillet, tossing to coat in the creamy sauce. Garnish with fresh parsley and a sprinkle of black pepper. Enjoy your creamy chicken Alfredo pasta. If you loved this recipe, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more delicious food videos. We post new recipes every week, featuring a variety of cuisines and cooking techniques. Plus, subscribe for a chance to win weekly prizes. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our latest culinary creations, cooking tips, and exclusive content. Join our community of food lovers and elevate your cooking game. Don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family. Happy cooking!